Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue of the shift key not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now I am assuming that the keyboard is working but the shift key is not. So press the Windows key, the control key and O to open the on-screen keyboard. Now use the shift key here and check if it works. Okay, if it does, then the issue is probably with your physical keyboard or the drivers. Now our first approach will be to update the drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for keyboards. Right click on the first one and update drivers. Right click on the second one and update drivers. Okay, so this is how you can update the drivers, and this can help a lot fixing the problem. The next solution will be to update Windows. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows update tab and then click on check for updates in the right pane. So this is also one point, and then there are other solutions as well. For example, a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar. Open system configuration, go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services, and then if any other service is checked, then click on disable all, apply, okay, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.